What's up, everyone? Another video today. Today was a losing day. Um, so let's break it down. I'm gonna start on the 4 hour on both pairs. So before the record, I'm gonna set this straight before I begin. I don't think I will be trading in class anymore. Specifically, my 9:30 class. I just can't do it. I thought about in terms of probability, it is fucking my probability. I cannot pay attention. I don't pay attention to the information in class, and I don't pay attention to the charts. I'm stuck in the middle. And that class only has 6 people in it, so I get called on too, so it's hard. It's fucking my probability. I just don't think it's something that I should be doing anymore, so I think I'll probably be stopping. All right, so let's break it down. These highs up here, these are high resistance liquidity up here because there's these imbalances, this imbalance right here. This is just, we're kind of in no man's land. I've been saying this. It's kind of hard to grab this liquidity up here and grab the liquidity up here. It's just there's no real draws to the upside. To the downside, however, we have these lows, these lows, stuff like that. So I knew I was going to be shorting. Before market opens, right here, we did have a bearish SMT. This high right here, this is the top of that right there. We did not take that out yet. We fell around like right here. Whereas on NQ, we completely took over that. So my daily bias was bearish. I wanted to find shorts today. So, I was going to trade a leading index, which is ES, because that was where the bearish system 2 was. All right, that was high time frame analysis. Let's go on the 1 hour, scale down just a bit. Okay. Along with the high time frame 4 hour bearish SMT, we also get a lower time frame bearish SMT. I'll move this one out of the way. From this high to this high and from this high to this high, we were falling short of that again. ES did not take that out, and Q did. So again, another bearish SMT. So we have this 4 hour bearish SMT and this 1 hour bearish SMT. So now I know for sure, okay, I'm going to be looking for shorts anytime now. Let's go. And you might be saying, like, where would you be shorting to? I'd be shorting to these low resistance liquidity unfilled 1 hour fair value gaps down here. We have this one, and we have this one, and we have this one, and we have this one. And what happens? We fucking fill both of them on both pairs. That's exactly what I knew was going to happen. We are going to fill it up. Okay. Nothing on the 30. So on the 30-minute, we do have this low right here, and on 30-minute as well. On NQ, we have this low right here. Now, I did talk about this yesterday, the convergence play. This is actually a really good longing position. It's too late in the market open for me to want to take this. It just doesn't make sense for me to take it. But this is a really high probable setup. If this presents itself anytime, you should be taking this. If you fill in an hourly fair value gap and it's located at the same area where equilibrium is, if you see an inversion in here, you should be taking that. Like, let me just scale down the 5-minute real quick. Like, boom, like this, right? Entering right there into a long position, making your take profit at the top of equilibrium. This is a really solid trade. This presents itself very, very often. I might take this trade right now. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is a really high probability setup. This happens very, very often. Huh. If NQ manages to tap back into this fair value gap right here, I will be entering. Now, that is not like me. That's not like me at all. But this is my strategy. I see this shit play out all the fucking time. Wow. This is a convergence play. Anyways, I'll just continue on with what I was saying on ES because that's where I took the trade. Let's go on a 5 minute. So we have. I might be fucking entering. Holy shit. Wait. Wait a second. Guys, we might be entering. Not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna go one contract. Holy fuck. Huh. Where's the 4 hour right now? 4 hour is bearish. We didn't tap into it yet. I'm just gonna continue talking. Anyways, we have this this 3 minute fair value gap, right? Gets inversed here. Body candle closure. That's when I entered. Stops above the fair value gap. Come down, take out this low. I was aiming for it to fill in these imbalances, which it does later into market, as you can see. And I should have put, after we took out this low, I should have moved my stops to break even. But I didn't. Because I'm on an eval, and I don't really, value this shit. So, that's the trade I took that got stepped out. So I got my high time frame, 4 hour bearish SMT, my 1 hour bearish SMT. It should be going down lower, but we end up going even higher. We take out this high. Once we take out the high, then we get the inversion. This is a 5 minute inversion. Then I could have taken the trade and shorted to the imbalance down here. That's what I could have done. So yeah, that was my trade. Nothing too crazy. I mean, I would have taken this trade again and again and again. The only thing I would have done differently is probably move my stops to break even after I saw us take out this low. So, generally speaking, it should have been a break even day for me, but it is what it is. Yeah, we managed to not take that out. Let's see the higher time frames, what that looks like. Oh, we do tap into the 2 minute. Shit. Huh. I don't think I'll be trading this. That'd be stupid. But I'm gonna leave this screen like this. I'm just gonna leave it just like this. It's a high probability that his take profit ends up getting hit. I want to see the rejection that we get out of this. If it's good, then I don't know. I might be longing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, nothing too crazy today. Fuck, I might be longing. Tapped this 5 minute, filled it. Well, the thing is, we do have these imbalances up here. So we could be rejecting off of them. This is really iffy. I mean, we could target it though. Let me see something. Hmm. 5 minute for rally gap, 5 minute for rally gap. What's the 1 minute doing? Alright, I'm gonna end the video there. If I would have done anything different, I would have traded at this time because If I got stopped out here, I should have moved my shit to break even. After I got out of the break even trade, I should have waited for another inverse knowing I wanted to short. We get the 5-minute inverse. I should have entered there. That would have been my trade. So yeah, if I would have done anything differently, that's what I would have done. So that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, yo.